Hello friends, today we are going to learn what is programming and how to make a simple website. Programming is a process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task. Programming can be done using a variety of computer programming languages such as HTML, JavaScript, Python, C++, etc. So today we are going to start with HTML. Hypertext Markup Language (HTML) is standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. It can be assisted by technologies such as cascading style sheets (CSS) and scripting languages such as JavaScript. So let's start. The first step is to add the tag doctype HTML. Doctype stands for document type declaration. It informs the web browser about the type and version of HTML used in building the web document. This helps the browser to handle and load it properly. The second step is to add the HTML tags, as shown. Now add body tags between HTML tags, like this. Now let's do it practically. Open Google and search REPL.IDE. Enter. There is one advantage for using REPL for coding. There is no need to download any program over your computer. We could do easily it on laptop. Now touch on new REPL. Select the language as HTML. You can name your REPL anything you want. Now create REPL. The page appears like this. Now the HTML tags are from default. Now add body tags. Don't forget to add the closing body tags. Write hello world. And touch run button. Hello world is printed here, but it isn't attractive. So let's make it more attractive. There is a H1 tag which makes it more bold. We could add H1 tag. Now add the closing H1 tag. Now see and run. See, it has become more bold and bright. Now the heading has been added. Let's add the subtitle. We could add the H2 tags as shown. Write the H2 tags. You could write my friends and run the program. See, my friends is smaller than hello world. This is the use of H2 tag. Now to add paragraphs, you can add the paragraph tag. It is P. Now add the ending paragraph tag. Alright, hi guys. Now run. This has been today.
This is how you could make your own website. If you liked my video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Ok guys, bye for now.